Welcome to the Kindergarten Reading Intervention Google Classroom with Mrs. Todd. I so enjoy working with your students throughout the school year, and now as we are doing school from home, this will be our way to connect with your students to give them the extra reading support that they were receiving back in the classroom and now here at home. Please check back weekly for 30-minute sessions of learning that your child can participate in. Weekly, I will be posting new assignments for your child to be working through on the classwork page. In the meantime, please always to check first on the stream page, the opening Google Classroom page, where you will see any current information as well as a link to the Zoom meetings where I will be available daily from 11 to noon if your child needs more support or just to check in. I may also offer opportunities of reading a story aloud and just some interactive fun. You will see that my email is also listed on here. Please always go to the classwork page that is at the top of your screen. Once clicking on the classwork page, you will see that there is several activities for your child to participate in. I strongly encourage them to just start at the top and work their way down. They can click on each of the screens and then with your support, follow the directions, and then they may do the activity that is there. Most of the activities, once the child knows the directions, are created for them to do independently. As always, if you have any questions, please feel free to contact me by email or jump onto that Zoom link as well. Thank you so much.